nyo ng oras, no? So, of course, we would like to thanks to Ma'am Wendell for having this program na kailangan natin gawin kasi para din maraming mga matutunan tayo. And yesterday ba o just this morning we just finished our program, one group, isang grupo yon ng isang company na natatapos namin kanina, and we thank them na talagang ang sobrang excited nila at ang saya-saya din nila sa mga awards nila. No? So, sino yung mga taga dito? Sabi ni Ma'am Wendell, may taga US, may taga Team Ascend, yes. May taga UAE, of course, Garrett, nandito si Garrett, no? Garrett, ano natin sila Ma'am Vilma, si Fatima at saka si Tere, si Ma'am Tere, kasi kailangan nila nandito. And of course, nandito kasama ko dito si Ma'am Joanne. Yan, kasama ko dito si Ma'am Rachel. And of course, si Ma'am Dayan, no? Si Ma'am Dayan na excited, nagchat siya sa mga downlines pa niya na kasama dito. Okay? So, ano ba tong WCA? No? Ano ba si WCA? Of course, para malaman nyo. But before that, I would like to welcome, each and every one of us to our WCA, which is meant by Wealth Creation Academy. No, this is a school na dito tayo matuto, lalo na sa self-development natin, and of course yung skills natin. Okay? So, ano yung ni WCA? No? Next slides, Ma'am Wendell, para natin. Ayan, before that, pwede ba siyang ma-play? Parang walang audio.
Freedom and fulfillment. Kaya sa Wealth Creation Academy is a business and leadership development institution built to help entrepreneurs and aspiring business owners reach their next level of success. We believe that wealth isn't just about money, it's about growth, freedom, and fulfillment. Kaya sa Wealth Creation Academy, we focus on developing your mindset, leadership, and financial skills, the foundations of real, lasting success. Founded by Jun Igot, our goal is to guide you one step at a time so you can build a business and a life you truly love.
Okay, no? So kilala nyo na si Wealth Creation Academy. Wealth Creation Academy is a business and personal development academy that equips business owners, freelancers, aspiring
Teka. Ako ba yung nawawala o si Sir June?
Si Sir Jun, ma'am.
Si Sir June. Okay, antayin na lang natin muna siya. Ayan. Live kasi tayo, so may mga technical problem. Hi, Micah. Ma'am Micah from Abu Dhabi. Hello. Ayan, parang nawala siya. So, ayan, continue ko na lang muna habang nag-ulit yung ang tawag nito. Siguro walang connection masyado sa Jensen. Alright. So, what is Wealth Creation Academy? Ayan, si Dayan, papunta na siya. Go ahead, lipat po. Ako na mag-rename po ng, ako na mag-rename. Unmute na lang po, Sir June. Thank you. Ayan. New kasi tayo, naka-live. Ako na, sige. So, ako na lang muna mag-share ng screen.
Okay. Ayan na, Ma'am Wendell.
Okay na? Sige. Okay.
Ayun. Yan, makarinig na kayo? Marinig nyo na ako? Sorry kasi naglalag yung isang laptop natin, laptop ni Rachel. Okay? Ma'am Wendell, marinig na kami?
Yes, loud and clear. Go ahead, Sir June.
Very good, no? Of course, the Wealth Creation Academy, sorry sa interruption, alam naman natin na yung internet, no? Parang ano dito, pero malakas na ngayon ang internet natin. We focus on clarity before complexity, growth before scale, and character before success. Yun yung ano natin, yun yung goal natin dito sa Wealth Creation Academy. Ano pa, no? Next slide, please. Para maano natin. Of course, our mission asa ba nang next ano lang? Okay, our mission is to improve or to empower individuals to discover their purpose, develop strong leadership and self-mastery, build sustainable wealth, no, through practical business skills, and grow with balance, health, and fulfillment. Yan yung mission natin, no?
Back
And
muna, Sir June. Back muna, Sir June. Meron kang na-skip na slide.
wala siyang ano, yun. So, our vision is to create a generation of financial independent, values-driven, and purpose-led leaders who build wealth with clarity, confidence, and impact while living balanced and fulfilled life. No? Yun yung ano natin. And of course, the Wealth Creation Academy, true wealth, naniniwala kami dito na true wealth is built from the inside and out. Inside out. Yan yung pinapaniwalaan namin dito sa Wealth Creation Academy. And of course, no, WCA or Wealth Creation Academy builds the person first so the business and income can last. Yun yung gusto nyo ba yon? Yes or yes? Type yes pag gusto nyo yon. No? So before money grows, of course, before money grows, mindset must be aligned. Of course, identity must be clear. And health must be protected, and of course, purpose must be defined. Yan yung importante sa atin. So itong ano natin, meron itong tatlong level of growth, no? 3 level of growth. Number 1 is discover, no? And number 2 is elevate, and number 4 is launch, no? So yan yung program natin na makikita nyo doon sa loob ng WCA. Pag nag-enroll kayo, nandoon yan makikita nyo. Naka-online na yan lahat, naka-video na yan lahat. And of course, the purpose of this is to set your mind doon sa goal natin. Diba? Doon sa mga gagawin natin for the next training or program na kailangan nating na malaman dito sa WCA. Okay. So, we have our online program, of course, no? With marami tayong training sa online. And of course, we have our face-to-face program. Yan yung mga ano natin, no? So, yan makikita nyo, yan yung mga ano natin, online program. Ayan, ang dami nating mga student dyan. And of course, sa face-to-face, meron din tayong mga program na, ayan si Sir Sam, no? Nakikita natin Sir Sam dyan, pogi-pogi sa face-to-face natin. Okay, and of course, our program level na ituturo dito, we have 3 very, very, very important program na alam ko na once na naka-join kayo dito, after ng graduation niyo dito sa 3 program na to, talagang ma-amaze kayo at makikita nyo na yung growth nyo sa sarili nyo kakaiba na talaga, no? Number 1 is discover. Of course, you discover yourself, and we will build a habit by this time. And of course, number 2, elevate, no? This is in execution, no? na kailangan talaga. And of course, yung online presence natin ituturo dito, no? And the skills, no? The skills, paano tayo mag-level up doon sa ginagawa natin. And dito nyo rin makikita yung money machine, no? Nagagawin natin through you, kasi ikaw naman talaga yung gagawa dito. Iga-guide ka lang ni Wealth Creation Academy. And number 3 is the exponential program, which is this is a leadership intensive training, no? This is a program that kung akong sasabihin ko sa inyo, sa ibang group ito sobrang mahal na program ito, pero dito talagang yes, intensive nga siya, pero alam ko ma-amaze din kayo dito sa program na to at ang dami yung matututunan because this is for leadership, no? Ti-train yung sarili mo to train other people to become a leader, no? Yun yung program na inaano natin, no? And of course, dito sa Discovery, no? This is a 1-month self-development and foundation program, no? This is designed to help business owners, freelancers, and aspiring entrepreneurs gain clarity on who they are, no? What they want, and how they want to build wealth. Yun yung ano natin, without burnout. So this is a 30-day program, and this is how you create a habit and to set your mind, to set yourself para mag-grow yung business mo. This level focuses on identity, purpose, self-care, and mindset because we believe we don't build a business first. You build the person who builds the business. Yes or yes? Yes, yun yung pinaka-importante talaga, no? Gusto nyo ba yan? Na sometimes kasi pag negosyante ka, pera lang yung tinitingnan natin. Kita o ganansya lang yung tinitingnan natin. But of course, first of all, we will build the person who builds the business. Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat para maglalast yung yung business mo. Yes, no? So yun ang pinaka-importante. And of course, may mga na rin tayo dito, yon. Ito yung level 1 natin, mga student na po tayo. At of course, back up po tayo nila Coach Russ, no? At yung I Am Plus na team na magtulong din sa atin dito. Yan yung natin, pinaka-importante. No? So, ang level 2 naman natin is the Elevate. This is the leadership mastery. No? Siguro familiar kayo about self-care, about habitual work, no? Dito nyo ma-experience, no? Dito nyo ma-experience meditation, self-care, yun yung pinaka-importante dito. Maano nyo. So this is a 2-month guided program, no? 2-month or 60 days guided program designed to help individual to level up their career and business capacity by developing the skills, mindset, and system required to grow and sustain successful entrepreneurial path, no? At of course, bakit ito importante? Kasi dito talaga tinuturo yung skills. This program bridges self-development, okay? Self-development and business execution. So, i-develop yung self mo, of course, no? And business execution. No, to helping participants Yan yung natin, no? Participants transition from knowing what they want to become a person who can achieve it. Okay. So yun yung natin, yan yung programs natin. Okay? So you don't just believe a business, you grow into a person capable of sustaining it. So yan yung program na inaano natin, inaayos natin dito at makikita nyo. Yan. Yan yung mga program natin, no? Na talagang sobrang excited ako dito sa mga program na to. At makikita natin yung value dito pag ginagawa natin siya. Okay. So, the level 3 program, okay, the level 3 program naman na ano natin is the Exponential Leadership Intensive Training, no? Ano itong program na to? This is a 90-day program or 3 months program. This is an intensive hybrid program designed for individuals who are ready to deep dive into a business execution, leadership, and membership growth, no? Yan yung importante na makikita natin. Sorry. So, this level goes beyond mindset and skills. It focuses on real world application, face-to-face immersion, no? Medyo ano na to, medyo matindi-tindi to ng konti. Coaching and measurable business output. So, pag nahihirapan kayo sa business, parang hindi kumikita yung business o nahihirapan kayo sa ginagawa nyo, this is very, very important, no, to join this program because itong program na to, ito yung i-guide ka for the next 90 days at alam ko meron talagang magandang result doon sa gagawin mo na negosyo. And you will not only learn how to grow the business, but you will become a kind of entrepreneur who can build, sustain, and scale with system, structure, and leadership. Okay, yan yung tatlong program natin. Ano yung number 1 kanina? Yung first program? No? Sino nakaalala sa first program? Number 1 is the discover, no? Discovery. And of course, number 2 is elevate. And number 3 is the exponential, no? So ito yung mga nakikita natin. Yan, may mga immersion kami, may mga training kami, at nakikita na marami na rin kaming graduate na nakaka-graduate dito sa intensive training na ginagawa namin. By the way, no? By the way, no, sobrang excited kasi ako at talagang natuloy-tuloy ko yung pag-present kasi excited ako sa program na to. Ang dami ko kasing natututunan din dito kahit kami yung nagra-run ng program, but iba-ibang klaseng tao yung na-experience namin dito. At isa lang ang nakikita ko dito, no? Yung mga gumagawa nito, talagang iba yung na-experience nila at iba yung growth na na-experience nila sa business. So, by the way, before I forget, no, I'm the CEO of Wealth Creation Academy, no? Kilala nyo naman ako, I'm June Igon, no? I'm the founder of this. I am 23 years of doing the business at saka yung master ko naman dito talaga is ang master ko is sales, no? Marketing and sales. Yun yung dito talaga ako yumaman. And of course, nakikita ko yung pagbabago ng sarili ko because of the training na ginagawa ko. I'm a tricycle driver by profession. Hindi ako nakatapos na pag-aaral, yung nang mahirapan ako mag-English, yung Tagalog ko nga, delikado din yung Tagalog ko. But of course, because of the program, mga training na ina-attenan ko, iba yung nakikita ko at na-value ko yon at kaya palang aralin, kaya palang matutunan yung mga bagay na akala mo hindi mo kayang gawin, hindi mo kayang aralin. Kaya pala, no? Yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin, no? Nagtawag si Sir Hill, may Zoom meeting lang ako, sorry. Ha? Of course, yun ang pinaka-importante kasi sa akin na importante kasi sa akin na nangyari kasi naniwala ako, no, doon sa business na ginagawa ko kasi hindi naman ako talaga into business at first, no? Hindi naman ako kasi yung background ko nga, wala ako natapos, nag-drive ako ng tricycle, wala talagang, parang hindi naman ako into business. Pero ang alam mo, ang ano nangyari sa akin, no? Nangyari sa akin, merong nagturo sa akin. Tinuruan ako, 'di ba? Merong nagturo, tinuruan ako paano gawin yung business, may nagme-mentor sa akin at siguro alam to sa karamihan, no? Yumaman ako in just 11 months. 11 months lang talaga dahil merong nagturo sa akin. So mentor is very important and that's why because of that, I'm doing the business because ang ganda naman talaga ng business nila, ang ganda ng product, ang ganda ng compensation nila. So yun yung ano, tuloy-tuloy ko ginawa yung business. Yan, naiba na yung buhay ko. Napaaral ko yung mga anak ko sa magandang school at nakatapos na rin sila, no? By God's grace, 2 na silang graduate ngayon. Ito lang nag-graduate na yung bunso namin. And I'm so happy talaga na because of this business, because nag-business ako, talagang iba na yung ano sa akin, iba yung nangyari sa akin. Yan yung tricycle ko, siguro nakita nyo yan, no? And yan yung first experience ko na sakay ng eroplano, yung damit ko, linagay ko lang dyan sa loob ng cellophane. And of course, no, ngayon, pag umaalis ako sa bansa, nakaka-business class na ako. Why? Because I'm doing business. Yan. Kasi pag nagnegosyo ka, dapat sa business class ka. And because of the business na tinuro sa akin, after 6 months, no, nakabili ako ng brand new car. This is 2003 pa ito na, na picture, no? And of course, nakuha ko yung pinaka-highest na pin level ng company namin, which is Lifestyles, no? And I started earning 1 million, more than 1 million a month. And after that, no, syempre pag may pera ka na, gumagwapo ka na, di ba? Ayan na, ang itsura. No, ano pa nangyari sa akin? Nakabili kami ng bahay, naging motivational speaker ako. Nakabili kami ng bahay, no, dahil doon sa testimony na yon, maraming sasakyan, no? Yan mga sasakyan namin na nabili. Ano pa ang ano sa amin? Mga travel, no? Siguro hindi ko na alam, ang dami ko na napuntahan. And nabuksan natin yung market ng Dubai. Hi, hello mga Dubai distributor. Yan, nabuksan natin yung market ng Dubai. And of course, tinuturuan tayo dito to build asset. No, nagbabay tayo ng asset, nagbi-build tayo ng asset at first. No, ito yung parking money natin. No, nag-start tayo ng buying asset like for example insurance, no? And of course pag may pera ka na talaga, bibili ka na ng mga properties. Yan yung mga properties natin. Ano pa nangyari sa atin? No? Yan yun. Ito na feature ako sa MIX Institute at dito ako nag-aral ng MBA. Hindi ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral pero nag-MBA ako. And of course, tawag dito, nakasulat ako ng libro at dahil nakasulat ako ng libro, no? Ano pang nangyari sa akin? Kasi dream ko yan talaga na makasulat ng libro at sana bibili kayo ng book. And of course, I was featured ako dito sa RDR Talks, no? Dito sa RDR Talks. Siguro nakakita kayo niyan. And of course, ngayon nagpapatayo tayo ng building, no? Pinidyuhan ko kanina kasi linagyan na nila ng tarpaulin na makikita na yung ano. And ito na talaga, no? Tatayo na siya. Yan yung bakit ako nabago yung buhay ko, because I'm doing the business. Now, of course, because of that, no, yung program na binibigay namin sa inyo or yung kanina nakita nyo kanina, it is part of my experience for 23 years and I want to serve people na maturuan ko sila kung saan man ako magaling doon, matuturuan ko sila paano ko makatulong din ako sa maraming mga tao na maka-avail sila ng program na yon. So, of course, ang next na magsasalita ngayon, how to avail this program, i-request ko si Ma'am Wendell. Ma'am Wendell, pwede bang si Ma'am Wendell na yung magpatuloy para alam natin paano namin ma-avail yung program na sinasabi ni Sir June. Ma'am Wendell, go ahead.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much, Sir June, and everyone na andito. We are already 44 in the Zoom room natin. So, ayan, sinong na-excite sa story ni Sir June? Pa-type 1. Kung na-excite kayo at na-inspire, pa-type 1. Ayan, Ma'am Felaine, thank you. Ayan, alam ko, I add to spotlight. Ayun. So, ayan, I know nakaka-inspire yung story niya. Ako, na-inspire din ako at to be exact talaga, ako din talaga yung isa sa mga mini-mentor ni Sir June, kaya nabago din yung buhay ko. Ayan. At naging business partner na din niya at the same time. So, ayan. Ang question right now, lahat sinabi na ni Sir June with the WCA, no, na-shift na bago na yung buhay niya, and right now, he's doing this advocacy to help more people, especially business owners and aspiring business owners, na matulungan sila sa business. Kasi experience-wise, for 23 years, no, yun yung laging sinishare sa atin ni Sir June. Kasi si Sir June medyo ano na siya, nasa generation. Malayong generation na siya. So, pag malayo yung generation na, ang daming wisdom. Yes or yes? Pa-type 5 if agree kayo. Pag maraming wisdom ang malayong generation. Ayan. Marami, iba yan? 5, sabi ni Ma'am Felaine. Marami din natin inside the Zoom room are millennial, yes or yes? Type 3 muna pag millennial ka. Oo, yung nag-type ng 5, ayun, malayong. Tapos type 1 naman if ano kayo, Generation Z kayo. Ayan. So, sa daming shinare sa akin ni Sir June, mga techniques at pag-mentor niya sa akin, no? Doon ko din na-realize na gusto din niya talagang na-help. He already found the purpose na bakit aside from doing business, mas maganda din pala na makatulong ka. That's why nabuo po yung Wealth Creation Academy, and meron po siyang mga free coaching na binibigay, ino-offer sa mga business owner na willing magpatulong or naghahanap ng coach or somebody na magtulong sa kanila, lalong-lalo na sa sales. Ayun. So, sinong excited dito na magpaturo kay Sir June? Type 10. Ayan. Si Ma'am Teresa, sabi niyo, ito talaga si Honor. Ayan, kanina may Realme tayo, ngayon may Honor na rin tayo, cellphone. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Maika 10. Hello, Ma'am Maika. Ayan. Sabi ni Gardo 10. Thank you so much, Ma'am LV 10. So at this moment, yung pinakatanong lahat kanina ng ino-offer ni Wealth Creation Academy na programs are all ongoing. May mga ongoing doon at meron yung mag-start pa lang. So how to avail those programs? So dapat maging part po kayo ng community namin. Yung iba, no, sabi nila, in order for you to grow in this business in this 21st century, dapat meron kang community. Yes or yes? Type agree if agree kayo. Kasi noon, no, way back, ayan, magwe-way back tayo talaga, way back, 19 Kalawang or 19 Kopong-Kopong. Okay lang gawin mo yung business, ikaw lang mag-isa. But today's era, kailangan na po natin ng collaboration. So, in order for you, no, na mas maka-explore ka, yung network mo explore, mas maraming opportunities, no, pag may community ka. Yes or yes? Yes, of course. That's why we are opening this community. Actually, parang community entrance lang yung payment ng WCA for you to join this program or school. Kasi yung ibang community, no, ang pinakaalam ko na, lang, business lang ha, business. May iba namang community or groups na, no, millions yung nila, yung registration. But for business, ang pinakamahal ko lang na alam is yung GCI. May 35,000 sila na registration. Ang iba naman 10,000, 15,000 just to be with that community. But for WCA, hindi pa po tayo nag-i-increase kasi alam namin yung market namin is mga business owner na sa mid-class and high, pataas, na gustong gustong magkaroon ng mag-scale yung business nila. So be part of our community and you can register with WCA. So ang question is, ayan, ma'am, pag nag-join kami sa WCA from the community, ano yung makukuha namin? Ayan. What is it for me? Yun ang laging tanong ng mga tao. Pag mag-engage sila into something, ang lagi nilang tanong, anong makukuha ko dito? Ganun ba tayo? Yes, psychologically, yes. Gusto natin may makukuha tayo. So, ang makukuha ninyo, of course, the full access of our 3 levels online courses. Pa-type 3 sa loob, sa chat box natin. If alam nyo na yung 3 courses na to na sinabi kanina ni Sir June, merong free online video courses doon. Mabilis lang po yun. It's just a glimpse of a simple training wherein parang introduction lang to ng trainings ng WCA, but the real trainings na in-offer namin talaga is yung face-to-face and the Zoom meetings. Ayan. Ano pa yung makukuha natin dito? Of course, exclusive entry of our private community. So welcome po kayo dito sa community natin of business owners. And ano pa yung makukuha natin? Ongoing mentorship and support. Ayan, wala na yung tulog si Sir June sa grabe ng sinusupport at kino-coach, no? Damay-damay na rin ako. Ayan. Ayan yung mga coaches natin. Different coaches is going on. Ayan. At siya andito from Manila yung iba. Ang iba naman is of course dito sa General Santos City. Next is pag member na kayo ng WCA, marami po tayong events and programs and you can avail the discounted programs pag member po kayo. So instead of paying the full amount of the programs, no? So you will just be paying with a discount. Gusto niyo ba yung may discount? Kasi Filipinos love discount and sale. Yes or yes? Pa-type yes if agree kayo. Ayan. Ayan. Yung fini-feature talaga namin dito is yung mga face-to-face training namin. But ang tanong, Ma'am Wendell, ano pa yung ino-offer niyo na trainings? Actually, nag-o-offer kami ng digital marketing trainings and business sales trainings. If part na kayo ng community, we will be announcing these trainings kung kailan, no? Of course, via Zoom para maraming makakakinig, maraming matulungan, no? Via Zoom po itong mga trainings natin. Okay? So, upcoming po itong business sales trainings with Sir June, of course. So we will be announcing if part po kayo or nag-follow po kayo ng page ng Wealth Creation Academy or June Igot page, you will be notified, no? Or lalo na pag part na kayo ng community and dun sa community natin yung mga posting na mga different trainings na ino-offer, ang iba free. Ayan. Type free if gusto niyo yung free. Go ahead. Pag ang iba din naman is meron ding bayad. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Philin, free. Lahat ng in-avail ni Ma'am Philin dito sa program, nagbayad talaga siya. So, ang dami ding students. Pwede ko bang pa-type 2 if student na kayo ng Wealth Creation Academy, yung nakaka-avail na ng mga programs. Okay, basahin ko lang ha. Just for you guys to know na marami pa lang ng mga students. Ang iba, hindi lang nakapasok din. Maybe they're busy or hindi nila alam na meron. So alam si Ma'am Zenaida, si Ma'am Maithel, ayan si Ma'am Asia. Si Honor, gusto ko talaga to si Honor. Student na pala natin to si Honor. Ayan. Cheryl, hi Ma'am Cheryl, Lorna, LV, Felaine, Joy, Julie Montes. Oh, yan. Thank you for enrolling for batch 4. Ma'am Philomena Zanaida. Yan. Thank you at marami pang iba. Marami din mga graduate ng mga programs natin dito. So, ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin is yung ano yung highlight na pinaka-entry level. Ayan, entry level na ino-offer ni Wealth Creation Academy upon registering or enrolling in the program, no? So meron tayong under discovery, ito yung pinaka-unang program na pwede niyong i-avail, which is the 30-day habit program, which is batch 4 na po siya ngayon, and the table or the enrollment is now open. So ano ba tong program na to? It builds better habits, create consistency, and transform your life, no? And eto naman sa kabila, 30-day din siya, but with alignment and digital transformation. Batch 2 na po, yung sabi kanina ni Sir June, kanina nag-graduation kami. Oo, yung session namin madaling araw, it's 4:30 a.m. Every Thursday and Monday yon ng session namin for 30 days. Ano yung maganda dito? Of course, alignment of your mindset, no? Same lang ito ng 30-day starter but it was integrated. It is integrated with digital transformation. So, tanong ko dito sa mga audience natin, sino dito nag-a-attend ng mga training ng mga content creation, digital marketing? Pa-type me. Ayan, para alam ko. Ma'am Philaine, yes. No, naka-attend na yan sa WCA. Yung iba, ng mga guest natin or mga bisita natin na andito, oo, na hindi pa students. Yeah, sino dito na naka-avail na? Mostly yung mga trainings at saka masterclass is just 1 day. Ayan, minsan 4 hours. Oo, minsan 2 araw, minsan 3 araw. Yes, okay naman doon, no? But for me, gumawa kami ng program wherein masusubaybayan namin yung progress ng aming students. Not just in 1 day, but it's 30 days. Oo, kasi it's an execution na program wherein ikaw talaga, ayan, hi Ma'am Janet V. First time yan, nakita na din kita Ma'am no, si Ma'am Janet sa coaching. Yan. Integrated na somehow mas subaybayan yung progress ng business owner at saka yung learning niya. That's why in-integrate namin itong 30-day alignment and digital transformation. And may na pong 18 students, ayan, nakapasa po sila dito sa 30-day alignment and digital transformation. So, kanina po, ayan, tuwang-tuwa din talaga kami kasi nga nakagraduate na sila. So, question, Ma'am Wendell, can you explain further with the 30-day habit? Eto naman, this program is batch 4 na po. Meron na po tayong batch 1, batch 2, and batch 3. Malapit na po matapos yung batch 3 natin. That's why we are opening the program, no, batch 4, no, sa mga gusto, no, gusto ng readiness, discipline, and awareness. Ganun ba talaga, Ma'am Wendell? Yes. This program, sa iba nyo to i-avail, it's 50,000 per head. 50,000 per head yan. Oo. It's not a joke. Totoo yan, this 30-day starter program. No? Ang program na to is about readiness, discipline, and awareness. This is so simple. Napaka-simple na program nito. Kahit na business owner ka na busy, no? Kahit na business owner ka na sobrang busy mo talaga. Ayan, no? Kaya mo tong gawin, no? A simple but powerful program designed to help you build consistency, responsibility, and discipline through small daily actions. Hindi po ito hindi ka po talaga like physically you will punta ng isang session na ganito, wala. Just on your day-to-day, mai-integrate mo tong program na to. So, ma'am, bakit 30-day program? Kasi, based on our experience, yung maganda with WCA, lahat po ng trainings namin, itong concept ng mga programs namin, it's personalized. Kasi po, experience po ito, no? Iba po kasi yung theory lang. Do you agree? Na iba yung theory lang, tapos walang experience. Agree pa, type agree if agree kayo doon. Pero, once na yung theory, ayan, ito din yung concept ni Mix Jose, yung coach namin. Ito yung theory plus experience, kinumbine mo siya together. And definitely, mas more meaningful, scalable, at the same time, magkakaroon ka talaga ng growth sa business mo. Kasi, yung theory-wise, meron naman talaga yung theory, kaya nga tinawag na theory. Pero, once na-execute nyo siya or na-experience nyo wise, magkakaroon ka pa ng wisdom how to scale your business, no? May mga trial and error ka na level, mga stages na learning curves doon, no? You have the chance again to do it, no? Na ayusin ulit yung business mo kasi nagkamali ka, yes or yes. May nakulang sa'yo doon na ginawa mo, di ba? Ayun. So, napakaganda po itong 30-day habit na to. And I will be calling later some of our graduates of 30-day habit to share naman yung konting experience lang. Okay? Get ready mga starter students. No, I will be calling you. No, later pa after this. Now, ano yung magiging structure ng program? No, the program is all about self-discipline and consistency, no? Build awareness of your habits and mindset and action, lalong-lalo na kung negosyante ka. Tanong ko sa inyo right now, sino dito ang business owner na naghahabol lagi sa sales? Pataas ang kamay. Ayan. Naghahabol sa sales. Type me. Pag hindi nakaano, type me na lang para mas makita ko kayo. Mabasa ko kayo. Type me. Wala. Walang naghahabol sa sales dito. Ang galing naman ng mga tao dito. Ayan, thank you. Ma'am Myra, okay ba yon? Ay, si Me, thank you for being so honest. Ma'am Chris, no, thank you. Ma'am Myra, sa amin, naghahabol. Yes, everyone, naghahabol tayo ng sales. Ma'am Janet, thank you. Tapos, yun pa, hindi natin alam paano. No, you are so overwhelmed with our business. Ask me why. Bakit overwhelmed? Kasi pag business owner ka or CEO ka, ikaw lahat, no? Ikaw, ikaw sa finance, ikaw sa operation, lalo na kapag hindi pa sobrang stable yung business mo. Ikaw din sa marketing, ikaw pa magko-close ng sales. Yes or yes? Agree or agree? Agree. Yes, ikaw lahat. Yun yung pinaka-challenge. But this 30-day habit will help you na mas ma-aligned, no, mas steady yung sarili mo, no, with the program na gagawin mo. No, once you enroll, you will train yourself to show up daily even when you're busy. Learn responsibility and accountability. Maging accountable ka. That's why I am so proud sa mga graduate dito. Iba talaga yung learnings nila. Nako-compile pa lang yung mga testimonies nila, hindi pa lang na-edit. But then again, no, nakakatuwa, nakakataba yung ng puso sa mga results after the program. And it's not about the program ends, mag-e-end na din si WCA on that. Mas maganda kasi na after 2 months, 3 months, we will still be connected para dun talaga namin makikita yung growth ninyo. More application, no? Pag ano pa, pag along the way, no, pagkatapos ng program, yun ang totoong growth. Yes or yes? Agree kayo doon? Pa-type yes if agree kayo. And of course, prepare yourself mentally and emotionally for bigger goals in the business and life. Gusto niyo yon na prepared kayo for all the challenges na ma-encounter niyo with your business? Because real talk, okay lang mag-real talk ako? Real talk. 'Pag business owner ka, ang daming problema, ayan. Minsan na nga nagkaka-anxiety na yung mga business owner, tapos hindi nila alam anong gagawin, 'no? So this program will help you na ma-align, makalmado ka, and you will think more of the solution, not on lingering on the problem and challenges, okay? Ayan, kaya napakaganda ng program na 'to. Create small habits that lead to long-term transformation. Ayan, pa-type po 1 if you are excited with this program. Next is, Ma'am Wendell, paano po ba ito nagwo-work? Kasi 30 days po ang haba, no? The duration is 30 days. The setup would be online Zoom. There will be a daily task, and that task will just be doable in just 5 minutes. Yung actual na mag-a-act ka talaga, it's just 5 minutes, no? The execution is just 5 minutes, and it's up to you kung 10 minutes gusto mo or 20 minutes, no? So weekly accountability calls, there will be accountability calls, no? It will be announced sa group chat. May group chat po tayo niyan. If mag-avail kayo with this program, you will be entering batch 4 of 30-day habits. Then simple daily activities that doable even for busy people. Nakadesign po talaga yan sa mga negosyante ang program na to. Daily reflection and check-in system, guided structure to help you stay aligned and consistent. Yan po yung 30-day habit. And before din tayo mag-start ng day 1 natin, there will be also an orientation with this program. Ayan, hindi po dire-diretso agad, no, for alignment. Now, ano pa, what will you do dito? Watch a short assigned video daily, answer simple reflection questions, submit daily accountability check-in, attend weekly Zoom accountability session, and of course, apply small intentional actions every day. Yan lang. Very basic. Basic siya, pero napaka-powerful ng program na ito. Ayan. Next, for this program, eto nga, sabi ko, kung busy ka na negosyante, nahuwan structure and discipline, para sa'yo to. Kung naghahanap ka pa ng business, aspiring entrepreneurs, pwede din to sa'yo. People who want to become more consistent, kasi parang may problema ka, Kung right now sabi mo latagaw talaga yung utak ko kung saan-saan na lang yung utak ko napupunta, kung ano lang iniisip ko, then this program is for you. Individual who wants personal growth and awareness. O baka hindi natin alam, lagi tayong nagpipinpoint sino yung may kasalanan, bakit ganito baba yung sales natin, sino yung bottleneck sa business natin, no? Tinatanong natin, biniblame natin yung iba, pero hindi natin chine-check yung sarili natin. Tayo pala yung bottleneck, no? Yung CEO pala, yung COO pala, ayan, tayo pala, yung sarili natin yung bottleneck. So, yan, matutulungan tayo with this program. Anyone ready to improve themselves one step at a time? Yan po yung program ng 30-day habit. So, are you excited? So, ayan. Andito po yung form, no, submitted by Ma'am Rachel if gusto niyo pong mag-sign up with this 30-day habit. So, kung meron tanong kayo, you can ask question right now. Go ahead if meron. Gusto niyong clarification? Wala? Ayan. Clear naman? Pag wala kayong question, ang gagaling niyong lahat. Alright. Or magaling lang yung pag-explain kasi naiintindihan. Oo. Walang tanong. Baka meron, di ko lang nakita. Wait. Dito sa slides ko. Ay, sa ano ko. Oh, may explained clearly. Thank you so much, Ma'am Feline. Ayan. So, hindi kayo magtatanong magkano, may bayad po ba? Baka kasi isipin nyo libre. So, sino nag-iisip dito na libre? Pataas ang kamay. Baka nga libre nga. Pa-thumbs up, no? Pag akala na libre or gusto ng libre. Ay, wala. Oh, thank you so much. Kasi walang naglibre. So, of course, may bayad po yung program natin. Last batch 1 and 2, wala po yung bayad. But, today, may bayad na po yung batch 4 natin. And 3. So, ang tanong, how much? Excited na kayo? Magkano? 50,000. Sabi ko kanina. Hindi naman. Mamandali, hindi. Alright. Eto, 2,999 yung original price ng program na ito for WCA. But, we will just, hindi po yan. Yan. Ginanon ko na po para hindi na kayo ma-heart attack or mapatulala. No? Natawa si Ma'am Pilaine. We will just be giving this for just 500 pesos. Ay nako, 500 pesos for 30 days. Dapat 15,000 to, charot. Ayan, 500 pesos for WCA student. Kapag nakapag-enroll na po kayo with WCA, yan, 500 lang po ito. Naku. Tapos ang effort natin yan, grabe, no? We will give our 100%. Sana mang hindi pa nakapag-enroll ng WCA, no? It is 999 po. Pag nag-register na po kayo, hindi na po kayo ulit na mag-register with the 499 na sa WCA. Automatic na po kayo na ma-enroll sa Wealth Creation Academy. So, 999. So, yung hindi pa po nakapag-avail or nakapag-enroll sa WCA, eto na lang po yung i-avail ninyo. It's 999. Ayan. Sino ang namumurahan dito? Pa-type me with this program. Namumurahan o napamura. Napamura talaga. Ayan. Sino? Ayan. Wait, baby, na ako'y kuan Zoom. Okay, wait lang. So, ayan, pa-type nga. Mura, sabi ni Ma'am Philaine Sigardo, nakawaw siya. Lifetime access po ba? Thank you, Sir Chris, for that question. Yes po, lifetime access na po siya. Anytime makaka-access po kayo. And, yeah, baka po kasi next months, upcoming months, magtataas na po kami ng registration sa WCA. So, for the meantime, avail nyo po itong lowest muna namin for a start. Kasi po galit na po sa amin yung mga mentors namin na masyadong mura po ng aming enrollment. Alright. Thank you so much. So, ayan. Ayan lang. So, if you want to join, no, may link tayo dito sa chat box natin sa maka-access po kayo with Wealth Creation Academy na link form. Ayan. So, okay, goods pa ba tayo? Hindi ba tayo inaantok or you are excited? Pa-type 9 if you are excited with this 90-day program. Wala na bang tanong para mag-proceed ako sa next program natin? 9. Hi, Honor. 9 si Honor. Sir Gardo, ayan. Ma'am Janet, thank you. 9. So, let's proceed to our next program. Ayan. Excited na kayo? Kasi maganda itong next na program na 'to, kasi ito yung napaka-demand, no, which is yung result ng first batch namin. They are all excited, no, na change. Sayang wala sila dito kasi nag-ano ako ng testimonies nila, no. So, next time din. Ay, before pala yan, ayan, before pala, sorry. No, I would just like to hear some of the, ayan lang, konting learnings or experience niyo with the 30-day habit, no? Na anong nangyari? Bakit napakaganda ng program na ito? So, yes, may I call, no? Ma'am Feline, okay lang po bang mag-share ka about the 30-day habit experience? Go ahead.
Yes, good morning everyone. Kami po yung first batch ng 30-day habit. So from my end, what was really developed is the consistency as well as the discipline, because focus pati, no, very important. Because dapat naka-focus ka sa ginagawa mo. 'Di ba sinabi ni Ma'am Wendell kanina, it will only take few minutes every day, pero 30 days siya nagagawin. So, ang importante dito is consistency. You just keep track of whatever time you wanted to do it within the day, as long as you submit then yung yung inyong assignment. Kasi hindi naman pwede ginawa mo but you did not submit, so wala pa rin, no? So, ganun po yung aming ginawa. So, it was really very good from my end. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Feline. Yan sa batch 1. Pwede ako magtawag na sa batch 2? Ayan, I think si Ma'am Cheryl. Ay, awardee pala to si Ma'am Feline natin, awardee. Ma'am Feline, ay Ma'am Cheryl, okay lang ba mag-share ka, Ma'am Cheryl? 5.
Sige po.
Ayun! Go ahead, Ma'am Cheryl.
Sige, sa 30 batch 2, ang na-learn ko talaga dyan is yung creating new habit. Opportunity na mag-create ng new habit. So since na-experience ko siya, na possible pala na magkaroon ka ng habit pag consistent ka. Yung pinapanood ka lang ng video, then answer yung mga questions, tapos yung transformation, may progress na hanap-hanapin mo siya na gawain. So hanggang sa naging part na siya ng daily life mo. So sabi ko, why not, after nung na yon, kung meron akong gustong another habit na gawain, pwede ko rin palang gawain. Like for example, yan, mag-exercise ka, self-care, yung mga ganun, mga new habit na pwede mong gawin, pwede pala siya. So pasalamat din ako dito sa 30 days program na naka-attend ako.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Cheryl. Ano talaga yan si Ma'am Cheryl, awardee yan sa 30-day habit, no? Ang dami niyang na-learn. So, ayan, may mga twist kasi doon sa 30 days. So, kaya I'm encouraging everyone to go with this program. Ayan, kasi 500 lang naman, no? For your growth. Ang iba nga, kami nga bumayad pa kami ng mga tag 1,000, 300,000 para lang sa personal growth, 'di ba? So, thank you so much for sharing. So, sino na dito sa ating mga guests na gustong mag-enroll sa program natin, pa-type me. Ayan, baka mayroon ng gusto. Ayan, pa-type me. Ayan. So, while waiting at saka nagta-type kayo ng me. Ayan, open ko muna tong sa anak ko. Alright. So, ayan. So, next program tayo, which is yung pinakagusto din ng ibang business owners, which is struggle na nila talaga ngayon. Kasi ang struggle ng mga business owners, kasi gusto natin ng pera, yes or yes. Gusto natin ng benta, yes or yes. Pa-type yes if gusto natin ng benta. Yes, kasi talaga ang mga natin, mukha talaga tayong negosyante. Hindi tayo mukhang pera. Mukha talaga tayong negosyante. Kaya gusto natin ng pera. Pero ang tanong kasi, bago pumasok yung pera, no? Before yung sales, dapat kasi ginandahan mo yung marketing mo. Kasi si marketing, dapat yun yung ipakita eh. Ano yung i-close? Ano yung i-negotiate kapag walang marketing? Tama ba? Pa-type yes if agree kayo. Oo. So, isa sa pinaka-problem right now ng mga business owners is that they don't know how to market their products, their businesses, or even sarili nila as personal brand nila. No? Yun yung pinaka-challenge eh. So, that's why nag-offer si WCA ng program wherein nung matutulungan yung mga business owners natin at masagot yung question nila, paano ba ako makikipag-compete sa market, no? Lalo na ngayon, no? Paano ba? So ang pinakasagot po diyan is the online marketing. So pa-type nga online marketing sa baba sa chat box natin. Yan lang po yung sagot if you want a greater sales kasi yung sales naman na skills na pag-aaralan din yun. Ayan, may structure kaya po nag-o-offer talaga yung pinaka-expertise ni WCA aside from self-development and transformation programs, ang pinaka-meat niya is the marketing and sales. Yun na nga mga trainings. Yun talaga yung pinaka-expertise. Meron din namang ibang training si WCA, but dun talaga naka-focus yung training ni WCA. Benta, tama. Sabi ni Sam, Lorna, yes. Sabi ni Chris, yes. Sabi online marketing. So, sabi nga nila, pag hindi ka daw lalabas sa social media, no, mostly talaga doon ang struggle sa marketing. Yes. Oo, kasi yun ang lagi naming naririnig. Problema ko po, hindi ko po nako-close, ganyan. Closing the deal, no, is may training at ano lang din yun, sanayan lang din yun. Pero paano ka, kasi I do believe in the business, numbers game to. No? Numbers game to. The more ka dapat marami yung ano mo, market mo. Oo, close, no? Marami kang reach, di ba? No? In order for you to reach that client, hindi lang yung si kapitbahay mo, hindi lang yung kapamilya mo, yung avid fan ng product mo, but of course, a lot of people out there is looking for your product. Hindi mo lang alam kasi hindi ka nakikita. That's why we are offering this digital marketing transformation with meron siyang tinatawag na 30-day alignment. So, eto yung ginawa namin sa program namin, previous batch 1, the integration of self-alignment, habit, and then sabay ng digital marketing. So, objective nito, no, is to have a clear direction in life, business, and daily action. Kasi mahirap gumawa ng business kapag hindi ayos yung utak natin, hindi ayos yung puso natin. Ayan. And of course, digitally adapted, hindi naman namin sinasabi agad that you will become an influencer agad after 30 day. But, no, ang hirap kasi sa atin, experience namin ni Sir June, ang hirap mag-influence or influence ng mga business owner to go out in social media kasi hindi sila sanay sa social media, hindi nila alam paano gawin. So ang daming mga buts and whats, 'di ba? And hows. Paano? And dami pang fears and doubts, yes or yes. Yes, pa-type yes if agree kayo. Maraming doubt sa mga business owners going online. So, no, this program is to be able to use social media for visibility, branding, and growth. Yan po yung training na to. It's still 30 days. Guided transformations. So ano yung magagawin ng mga participants? Meron tayong daily habit building kasi nga same lang din to ng si 30-day habit. Alone po yun. Wala po yung digital transformation. Wala yung content creation. But here, meron siyang content creation. Oo. Content creation, execution, personal development alignment, accountability tracking, and weekly Zoom session. Ayan. Ito yung maganda dito. Oo. So, ang program structure, step-by-step digital lectures and practical workshops covering digital identity and alignment. So, kasama po din dyan ang personal branding, clarifying your message, mindset shift for visibility, and building confidence online. So, sinong gusto nito? Pa-type me. Pa-type me. Ayan, yan po. Tuturuan ko po kayo step by step with this session. Ano pa? Ang pinakagusto ng lahat, ma'am, ayaw ko talaga mag-content creation kasi hindi ko alam. But here with this program, tuturuan ka what to post, what are the content pillars na gagamitin, basic scripting, and simple context execution. Ang maganda with this 30-day program ng digital, meron po tayong makikitang output after the 30 days. Ayan. At masusubaybayan po ang inyong digital marketing execution. Ayan. Okay. Are you guys excited? Sinong excited dito? Pa-type me. O, sino dito ang me? Hindi kayo? Si Chris. Thank you. Thank you so much. Me, sabi ni Ma'am Cheryl. Lorna, me din. So, ang question na ngayon, how much? Ayan, nauna na yung X. Ma'am Wendell, parang mahal yan. Kasi sabi mo, nung nag-content creation ka, nasa 50,000 yung bayad mo. Oo, sobrang mahal nito. Oo. Oh, ang tanong, Ma'am Wendell, sino ba yung coach dito sa 30-day? So, yung 30-day habit at saka dito sa 30-day digital transformation, ako po yung magiging head coach ninyo. But together with me, Sir Ju naman on the side or on the back end. Ayan. So, ma'am, magkano to? It's 4,299. That's the original price. Ayan. Original price po yun for 1 month. Imagine niyo step by step tayo niyan, no? Tuwa din talaga ako sa experience ko sa first batch. Ayan. So, for WCA students, 999 lang po. Yes, 999. So, pa-type 999 sa chat box if namumurahan kayo. Ayan. And for hindi pa po WCA students, 1499 po ito. Oo. So pag nag-avail na po kayo ng 1499, automatic para lang din kayong 'di ba? Hindi nag-register, so yun siya. So instead of paying 4,200. So good deal ba ito? Type deal sa chat box natin if napakagandang deal. Ayun, sabi naman Cheryl, sali na to sila. Oh, 999, Lorna, si Gardo. Yes, I'm looking forward. Nakasali. Si Chris, how much? Ayan po. Edwin, may discount ba pwede? Ayan. Sir Edwin, discounted na po yung 999 if WCA student po tayo. No, 1499 naman pag hindi pa WCA student. Pag hindi ka po WCA student, yung ibabayaran nyo po is 1499. Okay? Isisend din ang link natin dyan ni Richel or ni Dayan. Okay po.
PWD daw, may discount ba daw?
Ay,
Sabi
sorry.
Edwin.
PWD pala yan. Akala ko pwede. So, PWD wala po. Oo, wala po.
Ang PWD na na amount. Ang PWD.
Oo. Naging PWD na po kami sa sobrang mura. Ayan. Sir Edwin, pinakamura na po yan. Ayan. Opo. Ayan. Yan yung form ng digital transformation together with the 30 days. Ayan po. Magka-separate po yung form. Kung undecided po kayo day alone or gusto niyo yung 30-day with content creation. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Richel, for sending the link. Ayan. So, the floor is open for questions. If you have questions, yan po yung dalawang napaka-powerful na programs natin ng WCA. Sa mga nagtatanong, ma'am, may ang Elevate po. Yes, meron po tayong Elevate Batch 2, pero hindi po ito yung session for the Elevate Batch 2. Lahat po kasi dadaan po muna kasi ng 30-day program bago tayo makaproceed sa Elevate na program and the Level 3, which is the Exponential program. Meron din nagtanong sa akin, Ma'am Wendell, pagkatapos ba ng Exponential Level Up intensive training, Exponential leadership, Ano pong next? Ayan. Of course, no, nakaakibat dyan yung growth ninyo, nakasubaybay pa rin si WCA. And of course, maybe you will be hired or hired ba talaga? You will be serving also as one of the coaches here in Wealth Creation Academy. Ayan. Yan yung maganda. You will also be sharing your expertise, no, giving value to the people na nangangailangan na matulungan sila sa business din nila. Is that a good deal? Yes or yes? Yes, thank you so much. So, ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Feline. So, yan po yung dalawang program na ino-offer ni WCA as of the moment kasi ongoing si Elevate. And to all guests na andito, so may I acknowledge Ma'am Riza, new sa new sa paningin ko. Thank you so much sa photo ninyo. Sir Edwin, thank you. Si Sir Opo, bakit no yung sagot niya? Hindi ko po kilala, no? I hope kikita ko yung mukha nyo. Ayan, Ma'am Myra, yes. Ma'am Vilma, Chris, Abeb, thank you. Honor, Mythel, ayan, ang dami. Thank you so much for showing up today and for giving your time. Before I end this session, may I request Sir June to have his last message or encouragement to all our students, soon-to-be students. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Wendell. Thank you so much sa lahat na nandito ngayon, no? Na alam ko excited na rin kayo doon sa program. And of course, kailangan natin malaman yung natin mga student natin para makapag-umpisa na rin tayo. And of course sa mga taga Dubai na mga distributor at pagkasali kayo doon sa mga taga Dubai na mga student natin, kasali yung ibang lugar, may taga US din tayo na sasali dito sa natin sa 30-day program. Ayusin lang natin yung schedule natin, ayusin natin kung sino yun, mas maganda makapag-meeting tayo para rin sa hindi kayo mahirapan din sa program. Sa time, of course, sa time, particular tayo doon sa time kasi ang kailangan dito, normally yung ginagawa namin dito umaga, no? Kasi parang bright sila masyado pag umaga. And of course, doon sa mga 30-day, yung sasali lang sa 30-day na walang digital, magaling na sila sa digital, okay lang naman yon. The most important thing is kasali kayo doon. And yung mga leaders na meron kayong isali, make sure na nabubuk nyo yung mga mga student to be natin sa WCA for the 30-day program kasi importante yan. And try to help us na maano din sila, makapag-access din sila sa atin, no? So again, do you have question? Baka may question kayo. Yung amount naman natin, sobrang mura lang yan. Hindi naman yan, kasi ibabayad din natin yan sa mga coaches natin na magsusupport sa atin dito. And of course, no, the digital natin, transformation din natin is ngayon lang natin yan i-open sa lahat kasi it's our first time naman, a second time na nakita namin yung maganda talaga yung result kasi namomonitor namin sila. Actually 6 hours lang naman sana ito 5 to 6 hours. Pero bakit siya 30 days? Can you imagine that 30 days? Sobrang mura talaga yan for 30 days na kasi titingnan namin yung output nyo doon lalo na pag nag-social media na tayo, no? So yun ang pinaka-importante diyan. But anyway, remember it's your business. The social media, bakit tayo nagtuturo ng social media? Because this is investment. When I say investment, ibig sabihin, hindi pa to kikita agad, pero nag-i-invest ka na, parang nagbabangko ka lang, pero one day tumutubo ito, no? And one thing lang, ito yung parang wins ko for today, no? One thing lang. I just posted a content last night, 7 p.m. No? 7 p.m. yung pinost ko na content. Grabe yung nagva-viral siya ngayon. I think nasa almost 1 million views na siya. no? 1 million views na siya. Hindi pa siya nakaabot ng 24 hours pero almost 1 million views na siya. And more than 3,000 na yung inquiries. Can you imagine that? 3,000 na yung inquiries, parang hindi na kaya sa dalawang taga-serve diyan. And of course, because of social media. Social media is somewhat like a sleeping giant na prospecting natin, na building a business, and that's very, very important. Maraming nag-social media, pero wala silang structure, wala silang, parang hindi professional yung gumagawa ng social media nila, sila lang yung gumagawa, at hindi naman nila inaral, parang nakita lang nila doon sa, or YouTube ba, yung ano nila. But this time, ito makikita nyo sa social media na tinuturo namin, no, structured ito at professional talaga ang gumagawa nito. So, at least yung social media nyo maaayos kasi ano din yan, investment din yan sa negosyo nyo. No? Investment din yan. Gusto nyo lumaki yung business at gusto nyo mapatunayan na itong business na to, makatulong to sa akin, lalo na pagpalaki ng business ko, then social media is very, very important for us. That's why, wag kayong, baka sabihin nyo, ang mahal naman. Alam nyo, sobrang mura yung 1,500 na yan. Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am Riza. Ano talaga yan, sobrang mura yan. Murang-mura talaga yung, kasi gusto lang namin ma-value yung tinuturo din namin, no, dito, na iba yung talagang totoong nag-aral ng social media para pagdating nila doon sa field, hindi na sila mahirapan. Kung kukuha man sila ng SMM, at least maiintindihan nila yung mga language na ginagamit natin dyan sa social media kasi alam nyo. No? Don't hesitate to ask us. And of course, wag kayong manghinayang dyan. Kailangan yan kasi yan ang magpapalaki ng business natin. No? So congratulations sa lahat. Excited ako na imi-meet ko kayo ulit as student dito sa Wealth Creation Academy at magiging student din kayo sa ano namin sa 30-day program at saka sa Elevate and of course doon sa highest form of leadership natin na tinuturo dito sa WCA. So congratulations. Back to you, Ma'am Wendell.
Thank you so much, Arjun. And also, sagutin ko lang itong tanong ni Chris. Pwede po ba, Ma'am Wendell, for alignment digital transformation ang avail or need po ba step by step? Pili lang po kayo dun sa dalawa, sir. Kung gusto niyo po may digital marketing, that go on po kayo dun sa 30-day alignment na may digital transformation. Kapag wala naman, ayaw niyo na yung tapos na kayo with the marketing or digital content creation ng mga program, pwede lang din yung sa 30-day habit alone lang. Ayan. Pwede lang kayong pumili doon. Alright? So for the information of everyone, para mas align tayo or magtatanong kayo saan kayo magko-connect as much as possible kung pwede. Ayan. Kung pwede, heads up ko kayo, dito po kayo magtatanong sa aming page. Ayan, ano ko lang muna yung page natin please follow pala itong page na to kasi dito po yung mga inquiries. Ayan. Share ko lang ako ng screen. Ayan. Ito yung Wealth Creation Academy na page. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan, mukha po ni Sir Jun ang andyan. And dyan po yung mga updates aside from the community. Pwede po kayong magtanong dyan. But no, kung pwede din po kayong mag-message, punta po kayo dito sa... Nakikita ba yung screen ko? Ayan, nakikita ba yung screen ko? Oo. So, pwede din po kayo mag-personal message kasi puno na po. Ayan. Puno na po yung aking mga friend requests. Naka 5,000 na po ako na friends. Kay Sir Jun is 19,000 followers na lang din yung iba. So hindi ko po kayo mare-replyan kung kung pwede naman kayo mag-message. But then again, pwede po kayo dito mag-message sa WC Academy. This is our official Facebook account ng WCA. Kasi yung page po kasi doon, page po yun. Oo, may nasasagot din po doon sa inyo, pero more on, may automation kasi doon. Baka malito kayo. And dito po is personal. Yeah, personal po kayong ako, and of course, maybe si Dayan, yung staff namin, yung sasagot sa inyo dito para align po tayo, pa hindi po kayo kung saan-saan mapunta. So, take note of this Facebook account. Pwede po kayo magtanong dito. Pwede na dun din akong i-personal na message. Basta message po, pero hindi po tayo friends kasi puno na po ako. Ayan. So, that's it for me. Any more question before we end our session? Meron pang tanong. So we will be posting also the announcement and the form doon sa page namin. Doon hanapin nyo lang po doon. Ipipin namin yon para doon din po kayo mag-enroll. Alright? So, and of course, contact po nyo yung person na nag-invite sa inyo dito. They are also aligned with us kung ano yung mga programs na pwede nyong i-avail. Ayan. So, yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much, everyone. Man, picture muna tayo before we end.